the Indian Air Force is rethinking the purchase of 30 American-made unmanned aerial vehicles, worth $6 billion after Iran's downing of a U.S. Global Hawk drone, in the Persian Gulf region last month, the Hindustan Times cited unnamed military sources as saying. In June, Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps claimed that they had downed a U.S. spy drone after it had violated Iranian airspace. Washington, in turn, insisted that the unmanned aerial vehicle was destroyed by the Iran's Islamic Revolution Guards Corps in international waters. Israel's U.S.-backed Arrow-3 ballistic missile shield has passed a series of live interception tests over Alaska, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said on Sunday, casting the achievement as a warning to Iran. Arrow-3 is billed as capable of shooting down incoming missiles in space, an altitude that would destroy any non-conventional warhead safely. It passed its first full interception test, over the Mediterranean Sea in 2015, and was deployed in Israel in 2017. The performance was perfect, every hit a bullseye, Netanyahu, who doubles as defense minister, said in a statement announcing the 3 secret tests. Israel views the Arrow-3 as a bulwark against the ballistic missiles fielded by Iran and Syria. Iran and Russia will hold joint military drills in the Indian Ocean region before the end of this year, Iranian Navy Commander Rear Admiral Hossein Khanzadi said in an interview released on Monday. Regarding the conduct of exercises of the two countries' naval forces in the Indian Ocean region, we have reached an agreement. We hope that they will be held before the end of this year, Khanzadi told the IRNA news agency. Iran and Russia also continue negotiations on the development of defense and military cooperation in the Caspian Sea.